Hello and welcome. I'm Chef Vanessa, founder of Club Artistas. My own journey in the kitchen started when I was about 7 years old, and as a shy and introverted kid, the kitchen was a safe place for me to express myself, to be part of the action, and also to have first dibs on everything delicious that was being prepared there. Today, 40 years later, food is still my language of love and my creative medium. It was with that inspiration that I created Club Artistas to share this passion and this joy. Club Artistas is the child of Culinary Artistas, our culinary program in person here in San Francisco. Our kitchen studio is located in the beautiful historical building at Ghirardelli Square in San Francisco. We have beautiful views of the bay, and we really invite you, if you're coming through town, please stop by and visit us. Culinary Artistas was founded in 2016 with 25 kids. And now, barely 5 years later, we have already served thousands of kids here in the Bay Area. With Club Artistas, we're hoping to bring the same joyful creative spirit and culinary curiosity and exploration right into our chefs' homes. We believe that food can be a love language that connects us to each other, that connects us to the environment, that connects us to life. And we want to share that language with our kids. We also believe in celebration. We feel that being celebrated really brings in the fun and builds confidence. So we try to celebrate at the end of each lesson with a big cheers. But today, cheers to you, adult, for joining us and for embarking on this adventure. I can't wait to get cooking with you.